Hey y'all, so it's been like a year. Happy New Year again. I feel like I said this in my last video. But I was feeling really motivated to sit down and record something. I've been seeing a bunch of Valentine's Day looks all over my timeline, all over Facebook. So I was like, you know what, I kind of want to sit down and do something, plan some color, because it's just been too long. It's like 10 o'clock at night, and I used to record the best looks for some reason a little later at night. So hopefully this look turned out good. Like I said, I haven't done a full glam on myself in over a year. So I'm gonna show y'all the look that I am gonna try to recreate. It's by a woman named Nike's Canvas on Instagram, and I'm just gonna attempt to recreate her eye look. I'm not doing like all the paint and stuff. So I'm gonna try to recreate this eye look. I don't have just red chunks, so I am just gonna do some rhinestones maybe, or I might have some chunks. I have to find them. But yeah, y'all, this look we finna try to do. So yeah, do people even do videos like this anymore? People still sit down and talk while they do their makeup? But anyways, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. brow lift in my brows. And then we're gonna go in with a translucent powder and just put that on top, because it's about impossible to fill your eyebrows in after you put on the brow wax, because it's gonna be slipping and sliding everywhere. I'm gonna just take my mini one size powder. I'm gonna just go in with my Morphe brow pencil, and this was in the shade Java. I'm gonna conceal with my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Mocha. That's the brows right here, and start on our other eye. So I'm using the same Mocha concealer from Too Faced as my base. I definitely forgot that I need to put a lash on top of my extensions though. Set that base. I'm going to use my the same one size powder I use on my eyebrows. All the colors I'm using are from the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. This one is called Crazy. I'm gonna take the black out of the exact same palette, and I'm gonna start working this into my crease as well. I am gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Pure White. Oh no, I'm lying. I did not use Pure White. I used Medium Beige, because it's more to this actual color that I'm putting on my lid. It's closer to that color. So the color I used on my lid, this nude color, is from the 35U palette from Morphe, and it is called Beaming. It's this color right here at the bottom of the palette. It's this about gone. And I'm gonna pop a little shimmer on top. It's just like a white pigment, a white shimmery pigment. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the Essence Super Precise eyeliner. I don't really like this eyeliner. Oh, I just literally scratched my nose in your face. I don't really like this eyeliner. It's good, I guess, to line your lid, but when it comes to doing a wing eyeliner, it cracks pretty bad, at least from my experience. Sephora has a really good one, so if you're looking for a really good matte bold eyeliner, I would definitely get the Sephora brand. The pearls that I'm using are from Amazon, but I can link them below, but they came literally like this, which is the most annoying thing ever in life. They came literally all in one pack, all sizes mixed in together. So I took the time to literally pick some out that were all the same size so I could use them for this look, but I would definitely buy some that's already separated. So for the glitter, I'm using this red mix. It's like a mixture of fine, chunky glitter. Fine and chunky glitter. It's from yall Cosmetics. I don't know if they're still a thing. I haven't seen them on my timeline in a very long time. But I'm just using the lip applicator brush to apply it. Yeah, I'm gonna record like a full foundation routine for y'all. I didn't record the whole thing in this video simply because my camera was about to die, and I just really wanted to go ahead and get the look out the way. I'm not gonna lie, like I said, it was already 10 o'clock when I started. I think I got into bed maybe around 2:30 that morning, so I just left in like some little parts of me blending it. I'm pretty sure y'all have seen like the little technique on TikTok where you do like the little reverse, whatever it's called, like where you put your concealer first and then, you know, filling foundation where you need to go, all that stuff. That's kind of what I did. And towards the end of this video, I did not even have a microphone plugged in. I was completely out of it, I guess. So thank y'all for watching. I love y'all. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you won't miss when I start to finally be consistent with my channel. Something real, not basic.